What's going on, brother? You know what today is. You probably don't know what today is. It's today we're going to put a lift kit on my mom van. And some bro wheels. So, we're going to mount these bro wheels with some fire, because that's the only way to do it. And then we're going to open up my boxes from Rough Country and lift my truck like any brother man should. And we got a dog with us.
This is Rado, like Colorado.
We need to be drinking some beer. That's the only thing we're missing.
PBR.
Busch Light.
Either one, brother.
Budweiser, Bud Light, I don't know. What do rednecks drink?
We got tattoos recently.
I don't know. Yeah, we did. I got that guy. Dante got that guy because he's all fucking punk rock. Yeah, yeah, brother.
You fucked up. So this is how you do it with fire. A little bit of that. A little bit of that. A little bit of that. A lot bit of that. We don't like burning tires though.
Got some giant fucking coil springs. Got some giant fucking tow mirrors. Tow mirror box. Tie rod. Whatever, brace guys, make your tie rod stronger. Torsion tool. Torsion key tool. Kicker box. Rods. Whatever. Drop mounts. Lift mounts. Some new shocks. Nice. I didn't even know I got these. I just bought stuff. By the way, guys, I'm a dealer for Rough Country, which is the reason behind me lifting my truck. Just to kind of show off how, you know, cool I am and stuff. And show that we do lift kits at the shop. Oh, new knuckles. New knuckles to lift the front. And this is how she sits right now. Boom. Boom. It's easy. Rado. So far, I got all the tools that Rough Country says you need. Dante is working on pulling that brake. And I pulled these boys, which go right here to the torsion key and use the special tool. This fancy little tool right there for that. And that made it super easy. Would definitely recommend. And when you're doing something like this, basically you just follow the fucking instructions. But sometimes it helps to see a video. So here I am. So we're getting the ball joints out. And my truck has 300,000 miles. So I started with a hammer. And then I moved it up to a hammer. And then I moved it up to a hammer. I just had to use this thing to get the ball joint out. And now Dante's still working on the top. All right, the front is torn apart, and we realized we're missing a very crucial part. So now we're at the back. I'm almost positive we have everything to do the rear, and then the front will just go back together once I get the parts, hopefully tomorrow. Wait, is it Friday?
Yeah.
Fuck it, god damn it. It's Friday. I might not get the parts tomorrow. Fuck my life. So we got the springs in, and it sits tall as fuck. That is actually stupid. Dante's working on the shock mount.
Yeah,
Little
doing
Dante
something.
right there.
Doing something right here.
He's not really doing anything, honestly. Don't let him fool you. I had to drill a hole there and a hole there for the track rod relocation mount. Right there. That basically makes it so the track rod sits flatter rather than sitting like that. Kind of sits flatter. Works better that way. Got a shock mount that goes over here. Got some long sway bar end links right over there. And some bump stops. And I think that's it for the rear. And then we could just hate our lives until the front gets here.
On Monday.
Maybe on Monday, maybe tomorrow, maybe not on Monday. Who knows?
Maybe not even at all.
Maybe never. There it is with the back all finished up, except the rear shocks. The kit didn't come with new rear shocks, and mine were not very blown, but like almost dead. So yeah, replacing those. But next up, tossing these fuckers on there. My mirrors pull out, but I don't. I totally forgot I was making a video about this, but I got the front stuff, which was those guys, which raised the torsion key spot, axle spacers, that shit, front diff mount, skid plate, and maybe that's it. And I got all that on, as you see. But now we are, I don't know. I don't know where we're at right now. Got to tighten up the front. There are all of the diff bolts. Got to tighten up the cross member bolts, and then I think after that we're going to put the lower control arms on. So the knuckles are in. Both control arms are factory, but we got this aftermarket boy to make the torsion bar like a little bit more level. Dante is currently tightening down these. They're called kicker bars, which just stabilize the rear front subframe. That's an interesting rear front subframe.
Yeah, do something with it.
I just installed these, which reinforce the factory Chevy tie rods, which suck dick. And then I don't know. Oh, we gotta do the axles with the axle spacers that are somewhere. Steering stabilizer and new front shocks. And then I need new rear shocks, but I don't feel like buying them yet, so I don't know what I'm gonna do. Well, these kicker braces, we got this bolt in, and this bolt does not want to go in. The brace is like an inch or half inch too long. So we're gonna try to force it in. Then we got some new shocks, some new fucking everything. Need a new U-joint for the front of my drive shaft because I'm pretty sure that was bad anyways, so I'm gonna change it while we're here. And we'll be done soon. So the only way to properly install torsion keys is all the way up. Of course. Everybody knows that. Boom. That's a fat bitch.
Guys, this was supposed
You don't have to
to
get out
be
of my-
done.
I like fat bitches.
This was supposed to be done about 4 or 5 hours ago. Is when I was told this was going to be done.
When?
4 or 5 hours ago. And I was like, oh, I haven't done it in an hour. or
These
two.
goddamn kicker braces took
6
us like,
hours later.
that one took us like a fucking hour by itself. So here's the finished product. It sits a little higher up front than it does in the back, but that's, you know, the fucking cool bro truck shit to do now. New shocks for the rear, and then lovely sticker. Boom. Hit me up. Rough Country Dealer. I don't think it looks too bad, and I got the big stupid mirrors. Stupid. I'm also going to be building a 4th order bandpass box for my 2 Sundown 15s. So they'll go, this will be the square of it, and then it'll sit about that high. And it'll be pretty fucking loud, I think. Then I still got some room back here for tires and whatever else. It's gonna be pretty fucking sick. No longer a mom van. thanks for watching. If you want to see more videos of the Suburban, whatever I'm doing to it, all the cool stuff, hit like and comment and whatever else you want to do. And I love you.